In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your monitor. So, what you will need for this video is the Nintendo Switch 2. You will need the Nintendo Switch 2 dock, HDMI cable, and you will need the Nintendo Switch 2 adapter. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the back of the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. Yes. And in the Nintendo Switch 2 dock, you see right here, you can see AC adapter, and here it says HDMI output. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the HDMI cable and we're going to connect it right here in HDMI out. So one side of the HDMI cable is in the Nintendo Switch dock. The other side of the HDMI cable we're gonna plug into our monitor. And we're going to plug it right here in where it also says HDMI in. It looks like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our Nintendo Switch 2 adapter, and just the same as we did with the HDMI, what we're going to do is right here where it says AC adapter on the Nintendo Switch 2 dock, there we're going to put the Nintendo Switch 2 adapter. We're going to connect it, and the other side of the Nintendo Switch 2 adapter we're going to plug it in right there. It looks like this. So I plugged it in right there and it's in the dock. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take our Nintendo Switch and we're going to turn it on. We're going to click on continue and I'm going to detach the Joy-Cons. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the Nintendo Switch, we're going to slide it in like that into the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. So I just slide it in, guys. What we're going to do, I'm just gonna turn on my monitor. You can see it, I'm playing with the Joy-Con, and that is how you connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your monitor.